In this video, I'm going to expand on my last video, except it's going to be different. So for this one, I'm going to save emails that don't have attachments. And I'm also going to create an Excel workbook that has the sender name, the subject, the date, and a formatted date with a formula. So I'm going to show the code first, and then I'll demonstrate it. You can get this code from my website. Let me just scroll down through it really quickly. And then I'll also show my tools references. I have Microsoft Excel 16.0 Object Library enabled. So basically I selected 3 emails. One has a date of 4/10, so it only has 1 digit in the date, or in the month. So the month is 4, so it doesn't have a 0 before it. And then I have 2 for with 2 digits, so I could demonstrate that. So I'm gonna click play. I'm going to select the folder that I want to save it in, which is started by here. This is the starting for the file dialog, which is this. So I'm going to press OK, and I'm going to name each of my selected emails. So I'm going to do email 1, I'm going to name this Jesus, and then I'm going to name this email 3. So what this just created is these folders here. It saves the emails respectively. So this was the first one that I selected, and here is the Excel file it created too. It got the subject, the sender name, it got the time of receipt, and it got the subject. And then I did formulas here for the day, the month, the year, and then I did date for 4/10/2021, and then I did an if it's less than 10, then I want a 0 before it, and then I did a date with the hyphen there. So I set the file up like that. And then I also have all the attachments from this other email over here, which was this one. So it was this one right here, and I have like the same kind of date formatting and stuff, and then I have all the attachments here. So yeah, same thing right here. And then also I have like Jesus, which is over here, 3 attachments, email 1, and open it up. I got a custom name for it. So yeah, that's basically what this code does. Let me open up my Visual Basic Editor again. There's really no reason to like skip through it, but here's sender name, here's receive time, and here's subject for each of the mail